I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the key in Crash Bandicoot Level 1. First, your main goal is to collect 3 Aku Aku masks throughout the level. The first mask appears very early on, usually in a standard crate. Keep an eye out for it as you progress past the initial enemies. The second mask is typically found after the first checkpoint, often hidden in a stack of crates. After securing the second mask, continue your journey through the level. The third Aku Aku mask is crucial and often appears just before the bonus platform. It might be in a hidden crate or require a specific jump to reach. Remember, you need to have all 3 masks active simultaneously to trigger the bonus round. Losing a mask means you'll need to find another. Once you have successfully collected and maintained all 3 Aku Aku masks, look for a special platform. This platform usually has a distinct design and will activate when you jump on it with your 3 masks. It will then transport you to a unique bonus round. This is the only place where you can find the key for this level. Inside the bonus round, you'll need to navigate a series of platforms and obstacles to reach the key. Take your time and make precise jumps to avoid falling. Once you grab the key, you'll be returned to the main level. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.